This is Raju Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Pad, Gandhinagar. Welcome to the video tutorials of Advanced Java Programming. Previous, uh, we have discussed JDBC process in second unit. Let we discuss the next portion of JDBC, that is JDBC program. So, what do you mean by JDBC program? Program is nothing but the group of instruction. So let we discuss how to perform this JDBC program. So we required this type of a flow chart to perform the JDBC program. First, we required to load the driver, whatever we required in our program. Then get the connection. We required create statement, execute SQL query, then we perform result handling. How can we perform the result handling? Search more and more result. If a result is not getting, so we repeat the particular loop, and after all we will complete the statement. So close statement or close the connection. First, while we are loading the driver, so this is the driver. Name of the driver is com.mysql.jdbc driver. If we are using the Oracle, so instead of MySQL, you have to write Oracle driver. Then second point is get the connection. So while you are getting the connection, so require the connection string. Here I write the connection string for connection. So connection con is one object. We require driver manager dot get connection. In the double quote we require JDBC. Here we are using the MySQL. So MySQL colon / localhost 3306. This is the port number. Localhost colon port number /GTU. And we require the username. So username is root. By default the password is pwd. So this is the get connection. While we are creating the connection or create statement, so create statement, we all familiar with the create statement. This is the object of statement. HTML is equal to connection con dot create statement. Con dot create statement. Con is nothing but the connection. Then while we are executing the program, here total program is executing. So we are performing the execution by using SQL query, structure query language. So result set rs is equal to statement htmt dot execute query. Here we require the execute query statement. And which type of a query required? We are performing any tables information. So select query is used. Select star from table name. Here diet is nothing but one table. So in the entry of this loop, while we are getting the result, so result handling required while. Here I repeat this loop. So we require the while rs is nothing but the result set dot next system.out.print rs.getString. One string will be print by using this statement. And if this loop is completed and no any execution is pending, so close the statement. How can we close the statement? By using htmt statement dot close, and close the connection by using the con dot close. Here connection object is con. So this is the total flow chart, or you can say that this is the execution step of JDBC program. So this is the simple demo program. First JDBC program, we require the import. So import is nothing but the import statement. We are importing the SQL file. So java.sql.star is required. Then public class con demo. This is the name of the class. Public static void main string argument s. We require try and catch. So first we try class name, class dot forename. So we are load the particular class. This forename is required for load the driver. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. We are using the MySQL, so JDBC colon MySQL localhost 3306 port number, then slash GTU. We are using the username and password, so this is the total connection string. We are performing the statement, so statement is equal to connection dot create statement. We are familiar. Result set rs is equal to statement dot execute. We are using the select star from diet. So database name is here, and while we are performing the rs dot next in the loop, system dot out dot println rs dot get integer 1 first string, then we are performing some space. We are using slash t to create the space, then system dot out dot println rs dot get string. We require the name, so name will be print again one space, system dot out dot println rs dot get string. Here first integer is print, then string name will be print and rs dot get string. So by using this statement we are performing the JDBC program, and this is the terminate while, so we require the curly bracket ending statement dot close and connection dot close. Here try terminate here, so catch exception e, if any exception then system dot out dot println e dot to string. So what is the output of this program? We are performing this program in NetBeans or Eclipse. So this type of output will be displayed if your database connection is proper. What is your output? Here 1111, then name is ABC and rs dot get string. Get string is nothing but the string from your database. So computer, if the second output, so integer value 2222, get string name is xyz, and here system dot out println that print the from EC. So it is nothing but the database. Let me discuss the types of statement. In the types of statement, the JDBC statement, prepared statement and callable statement. These three type of statement are used. That is, the interface define the method and property that enable you to send SQL or PLSQL command and receive the data from your database. Okay. So what do you mean by statement? Statement, it is nothing but the SQL query while we are performing the statement. So a statement is an object that used to executing the static SQL statement and obtaining the result provided by it. Statement interface cannot be except parameter. It cannot use any parameter. This type of a question asked in GTU exam, summer 13 or 16, winter 11, 2011, 2013, 14. 7 marks of question will ask in this portion. So first of all, let me discuss the java.sql interface. Interface is used. The statement object can be used interface. So what do you mean by interface? Interface is nothing but the one type of a communication with the database. First statement is simple types of statement is statement, second one is a prepared statement, and third one is a callable statement. So how to create the statement object, creation of the statement object. While we are creating, the statement object can be created using create statement method. So here we require the use of general purpose access to your database useful for static SQL statement. This is nothing but the static SQL statement. So you have idea about the static and dynamic uh, database or SQL statement. If we are performing any changes, so static will be become dynamic and fixed content will be provided in static SQL statement. Then prepared statement use when you plan to use the SQL statement like multiple times. The prepared statement interface accepts the input parameters at runtime. We will discuss by example later on. And callable statement. So callable statement used when you want to access the database stored procedure. The callable interface can also accept the runtime input parameters. Prepared statement. So prepared statement interface extend the statement interface. It is the extend the statement interface. It represents the pre-compiled SQL statement. A SQL statement is a pre-compiled and stored in prepared statement object. This object can then use to efficiently execute the statement multiple times. Let me discuss one example of prepared statement. So here string query is equal to insert into student value. Then which type of a value we are using here? Question mark means if you are using the number, string or any date value like birth date. Okay. So this is the prepared statement. Again I repeat, prepared statement interface extend the statement interface and it represents the pre-compiled SQL statement. What do you mean by pre-compiled? Statement is pre-compiled means already compiled and execution is already started. So that stored in prepared statement object. So this object can be used to efficiently execute the statement multiple times. We are performing the insert query. So insert query will perform multiple times because student table entry may be multiple like enrollment number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So prepare statement use java.sql.prepare statement interface object. It represents the pre-compiled SQL statement. This interface is used efficiently execute SQL statement multiple times. That is when we want to insert a record in database by putting the different value at runtime. This statement is derived from statement class because we are already mentioned interface extend the statement interface. That means the statement is derived from statement class. The prepared statement interface can be created by calling the prepared statement method. And the prepared statement method is available in java.sql.connection interface. Where it is available? Java.sql.connection interface. The prepared statement method is take SQL statement in Java format. This is the SQL format in Java, SQL statement in Java format. So student is name of the table and parameter like values. Parameter 1, parameter 2 and parameter 3 like enrollment number, name or birth date. Method of prepared statement interface like public void set integer param index integer value. So it set the integer value to the given parameter index. Second, set string. This method is used to set the string value to given parameter index. Set float. So set float value is to given to parameter index. Double sets double value given to the parameter index. And if you are using the public integer execute update, so update is required to execute the query and it is used to create, drop, insert, update or delete. This type of a statement or execution will be performed by using the execute update method. Like you are create, drop, insert, update or delete. So this is nothing but the DML, data manipulation language. Public result set execute query. It select the query and return the instance of result set. So let me create one prepared statement. Now create table in MySQL. So by using create statement, create table name. So here create table, we are creating the GTU dot diet student. Then we require the value like enrollment number in varchar, and this is the range. So maximum you can uh, enter 10 digit, and this value contain the constraint like not null constraint. Second value is name with data type varchar, and here the size of name varchar is 20. Maximum you can enter 20 characters. Branch also with the data type varchar and maximum size is 10. Division varchar, maximum size is 10. Here primary key enrollment number. We creating the varchar enrollment number as a primary key. So if you are mentioning the enrollment number as a primary key, so here must be write primary key in the bracket name of the column. So this is the output. Here no any entry available. We are not inserting any record. So table is created, but there is no any entry. Example of prepare statement that insert the record. See, so we already use the import java.sql.star prepare class prepared insert, then public static void main string argument as try. Here the driver is load, so class dot for name connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. MySQL statement is used. String query is equal to, here string query is equal to, we require the insert query. So insert query is nothing but the insert into table name. Then values. This is the parameter 1, 2, 3 and 4. Prepared statement ps is equal to con dot prepared statement query ps dot set the string. We are inputting the value 1 and 14092. This is the enrollment number. Maximum you can insert 20, whatever the size is given. Dot set string second value is name, third is branch and division. So integer I is equal to ps dot execute update system dot out dot println number of row updated. Here we require the value of rows. So in I integer I ps dot execute update, that counter initialize or it represent the number of row updated. We required close the connection by using ps dot close. Ps is nothing but the prepared statement. Ps is one object for prepared statement, and connection dot close. We required catch exception e system dot out dot println e to string. So what is the output of this program, JDBC program? While we are, so system dot out dot println, that represent the output number of rows updated 1 if one record is insert. Why to use prepared statement? So here the benefit of prepared statement, improve the performance. The performance of application will be faster if you use the prepared statement interface, because query is compiled only once. This is because creating the prepared statement object by explicitly giving the SQL statement cause the statement to be pre-compiled within the database immediately. Thus, when the prepared statement is later executed, the DBMS does not have recompile the SQL statement. We do not require the recompilation of SQL statement. Late binding and compilation is done by DBMS. It provides the programmatic approach to set the value. What do you mean by late binding?
According to Techopedia, definition.
So this is the important question related to this prepared statement. Show the use of prepared statement object to run the pre-compiled SQL statement. Also write the example of Java snippet code for prepared statement, 7 marks of question. Explain the use of prepared statement with appropriate example. Already discussed in this previous example. Explain the role of prepared statement with example. Write the program to insert the student record. Instead of that, you can insert the values for the student record. So student table will be used. Then explain the use of prepared statement object of JDBC with appropriate example, or write the difference between statement and prepared statement interface. Thank you for listening this video, this session. We will discuss the next portion, callable statement, in the next video lecture.